Have you ever wanted your own AI cartoon avatar that can actually talk?
Maybe for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, online courses, business presentations, or social media content. Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create one using ChatGPT, and then how to bring it into Canva to make it look even more professional. And then how to animate it and make it talk using nothing but Canva. The best part? You don't need any drawing skills, you don't need expensive animation software, and you certainly don't need to be a graphic designer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your own AI presenter from scratch. Let's get started. Before we jump into today's tutorial, I'd like to give a huge shout out to one of our amazing viewers, at self-love is key, who left this comment. Appreciate all your hard work you're doing on YouTube. Can you do a video tutorial on cartoons/talking avatars in Canva/ChatGPT? Your natural voice is cool. Let it shine from time to time. Firstly, thank you so much for the kind words. Comments like these genuinely motivate me to keep creating tutorials. And today's video is dedicated to you. I also want everyone watching to know that I genuinely read your comments. In fact, many of the tutorials you see on Genius Junkie come directly from your suggestions. So if there's a Canva feature, a ChatGPT trick, a CapCut tutorial, or any AI tool you'd like me to cover, leave your request in the comments below. There's a very good chance your idea will become a future Genius Junkie tutorial. Now, let's create your AI avatar. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we'll create a cartoon avatar using ChatGPT. Then I'll show you how to improve the design so it actually looks the way you imagined. We'll create multiple expressions and poses while keeping the same character consistent. Then we'll bring everything into Canva, and this is where the magic happens. I'll show you how to animate your avatar, make it talk, and turn it into a polished, professional-looking video, whether you're creating YouTube videos, online courses, business presentations, or content for social media. This workflow will save you hours. Let's start inside ChatGPT. Select Create Image and describe the character you want. Here's an example prompt. Create a friendly cartoon presenter with short dark hair, wearing a white business shirt and navy blazer, smiling confidently, clean modern illustration style, transparent background. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is being too vague. If you simply type, "Create a cartoon man," you'll probably get something completely different from what you imagined. Instead, describe your character as though you're talking to a professional illustrator. Think about things like age, hairstyle and hair color, eye color, clothing, facial expression, accessories, and even the art style. The more descriptive you are, the better ChatGPT can understand exactly what you are looking for. If you'd like the avatar to actually look like you, simply upload a photo first and ask ChatGPT, "Turn this photo into a friendly cartoon avatar while keeping my facial features recognizable." Within seconds, you'll have your own custom AI presenter. One quick but important tip, always ask for a transparent background. That's going to make your life much easier when we move into Canva later. Don't settle for the very first image. One of ChatGPT's biggest strengths is that you don't have to start over. Simply continue the conversation. For example, make the smile bigger, change the shirt to a hoodie, add glasses, change the hairstyle, use softer colors, make the eyes slightly larger, add a transparent background. Think of ChatGPT as your own personal illustrator. The more feedback you give it, the closer you'll get to exactly what you imagined. And if you're building a YouTube channel or personal brand, choose one art style, anime, Pixar-inspired, flat illustration, whatever suits you, and stick with it. That consistency helps people instantly recognize your content. Now, let's give your avatar some personality. Instead of using exactly the same image every time, ask ChatGPT to generate different expressions: happy, excited, surprised, thinking, laughing. You can also generate different poses: pointing left, pointing right, holding a laptop, waving. Now here's the most important part of this entire step, because this is what's going to make your avatar talk in Canva. Ask ChatGPT for 2 extra versions of your character. One mouth closed, one mouth open, everything else identical. Remember those 2 images, because in a moment, they're going to become your talking animation. Download everything as PNG files with transparent backgrounds. Now let's head over to Canva, create a new design and choose video. Or if you're making shorts and reels, choose mobile video for that vertical format. Then go to Uploads and drag in all of your avatar images. If any of your images didn't come out with a transparent background, no problem. Click the image, select Edit Image, and use Canva's background remover. One click, and your avatar can now sit naturally on top of any background you like. Now set the scene. Add a background color, a gradient, a photo, or even a screen recording behind your avatar. Position your character to one side, leaving space for text and graphics. Your studio is ready. Here's where your avatar comes to life. Click on your avatar, then select Animate from the toolbar. Canva gives you a whole library of element animations. For a natural, alive feel, my favorites are Breathe, which gives a gentle, subtle, idle movement. You can even adjust the speed of the animation using the slider. Keep it slow and subtle. We want the character to feel alive, not bouncing around like a cartoon on a sugar rush. Now, let's make it talk. Remember those two mouth images from earlier? Here's the trick. Add your mouth-closed avatar to the first page of your timeline. Duplicate the page, and swap in the mouth-open version in exactly the same position. Then set each page's duration to around half a second. Keep duplicating and alternating. Closed, open, press play. And just like that, your avatar is talking. This is the exact same technique classic animators call the puppet mouth, and it works brilliantly for tutorial-style videos, and if you want full, realistic lip sync, Canva's AI tools have you covered. Go to Apps in the left sidebar, and you'll find a whole range of AI avatar tools. Canva's own AI avatars, DID AI avatars, HeyGen, and avatars by DupDub. Now, Canva's built-in avatars are designed around realistic human presenters. So for our cartoon character, choose an app that lets you upload your own image. DID or DupDub are perfect for this. Upload your avatar. Type in your script, or upload your own voice recording. Then simply choose the option to animate, or create a talking avatar. And within a minute or two, you'll have a fully lip-synced talking video of your character, which drops straight into your Canva design. So you've got two options: the quick puppet mouth method using nothing but Canva itself, or Canva's AI avatar apps for realistic lip sync. A talking avatar needs a voice. You've got a few options inside Canva. You can record your narration directly. Just go to Uploads, select Record Yourself, and choose Audio. You can upload a voiceover you've recorded elsewhere, or an AI voice you've generated. Then drag your audio onto the timeline and line up your talking animation with the words. A little tip here: during pauses in your narration, switch to a page with the mouth closed. It's a small detail, but it makes the whole thing feel far more natural. And if you'd rather use your own voice, like I do from time to time, go for it. Using your own voice often creates a stronger connection with your audience. This is where Canva really shines. Add animated text, your logo, brand colors, icons, transitions between scenes, background music from Canva's audio library, and subtitles, which are essential because so many people watch with the sound off. Swap in your different expressions and poses as the video progresses. Surprised for a big reveal, thinking for a question, pointing at your text and graphics. These small touches completely transform your finished video. When you're happy, click Share, Download, and export as MP4. Done. Before we wrap up, here are 5 quick tips that'll help you get even better results. Number 1, be specific with your ChatGPT prompts. Number 2, keep your clothing, hairstyle, and art style consistent across every image. Number 3, generate all your expressions and mouth positions in one session. Number 4, save your talking avatar Canva design as a template. So next time, you simply swap the audio and text. And finally, don't expect perfection on the first attempt. Think of ChatGPT and Canva as your creative assistants, not a one-click magic button. Just a few years ago, Creating animated characters like this required expensive software and years of experience. Today, with ChatGPT to design your character and Canva to animate it, almost anyone can create a professional-looking talking presenter in an afternoon, and that's exactly why I love making tutorials like this. If I can save you time, help you learn a new skill, or make your content creation journey just a little bit easier, then I've done my job. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Genius Junkie for more Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut, and AI tutorials every week. And remember, today's video came directly from one of your comments, so keep those tutorial requests coming. I genuinely read every single one, and your suggestion could be featured in an upcoming Genius Junkie video. A huge thank you once again to @selfloveiskey for inspiring today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.